In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP NY6455E printer. Now the first thing is to open the ink cartridge chamber door. So you will see there is a place to lift it and hold the printer. Now ink cartridges are there, so we simply have to open the lock and take the ink cartridge out. So you can remove black and color from here. To install new ink cartridges, place the new ink cartridge here. So place black on the black side, slide it in and close the lock. So place the ink cartridge, slide it under the lock and then close it. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. So press it down, hold it from this side and let it go easily, and we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.